Okay, so we're almost there. Let me take a temperature reading. Make sure you stir this around so the heat can even up. So the heat is, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Okay. Well, ain't the heat is on with this. 237 Fahrenheit. So I will post a recipe, the recipe for this, either in the comment section or both places, the comment section and my Facebook group and the website. Okay guys, so here we go. I finished adding my lye. I think this lye water is a little bit, I think it's a 231. This is a recipe I want to share, is only for advanced soap makers. That's it, advanced soap makers. Take a temperature reading on this. Alright, so I can start pulsating this. Sorry about the noise, people. Be careful here. Guys, I know this was gonna happen. This is why I get my soap done in the sink or in not a container. At least you get to see the creepy crawly. Oh my gosh. Let's see if it's gonna be hot like. Ugh. charging. Okay guys, so it's all finished. And this is liquid soap paste. So I'm gonna dilute this with water to make my either gel or body wash, whatever. But this is finished, and I did finish this in exactly 10 minutes on the dot. Right? Look at that jelly. Okay, hi guys. Okay, so I'm going to use this Soapy calculator, and I'm using potassium, which is gonna be 90%, and sodium is gonna be 10%. I will be measuring in percentage, and I'm going to use ounces, so it's 30% of oil. Sorry, 30 ounces of oil. And I don't want any super fat, zero super fat, and zero fragrance, because I'm making a liquid soap paste. Okay. All right, so add my oils. Add my oils that I need. Castor oil. Click on the blue to add it. And I'm gonna be doing some coconut oil. That's gonna be 15%. Some lard. Some olive oil. And I'll first some tallow. Beef tallow should be here somewhere. Okay, so I'm going to measure all the measurements is there. I'm going to use ounces to measure my oils, or you can use grams if you want to, but I'm using ounces for all my oils. And here you have the measurement for the water. You have a measurement for the potassium hydroxide, and for sodium hydroxide. And yeah, I'm going to name this recipe. It's going to be double. You could put the name in there. Anyways, guys, so if you would like me to do a tutorial as to how to use the Soapy calculator, let me know. Again, this recipe is for advanced and I'm typing in the super fat that I use, which is glycerin. I use lots of glycerin for this paste, and don't worry, it bubbles just fine. The bubbles are just fine. So if you want me to do a tutorial as to how to use this, I think it's the best calculator for making dual soap, dual lye soap. Okay, guys, enjoy the recipe. Any questions, let me know. Bye for now.